Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to this new video. Guys, in this video we're going to be creating this e-commerce website. Guys, this is fully loaded with all the functionalities you want. I'm going to show you exactly how to connect a payment gateway, how to set this thing up, and as you can see on the screen, we are going to be installing this full website onto our own. Then we are going to edit every single section about this website. This is a fully loaded e-commerce website. Let me show you exactly how to do it. So right now, if you click on all products, you are going to see all the products in this store, and trust me guys, it's very easy to set up. I'm going to show you exactly everything in this video. Now these are all the products in this store, and you can add your own. This is just the format. So let's say I'm interested in this product, I can click on it and also get more info about the product. So as you can see right here, this is more info about the product, and if I'm okay with it, I can add to cart, and after adding to cart, I can view the cart and I can go through the checkout process. And this is seamless. This is very simple for you as the owner and for your customers, which are the people that are going to patronize you. And once I fill in my details and everything, I can decide to click on cash on delivery as a payment gateway. But I'm going to show you exactly how to add some other payment gateways like PayPal and some other ones. Okay, you can add any payment gateway that you want in this e-commerce store. So once I'm done with that, I'll just click on place order, and it's going to process the order. And as you can see on the screen right now, it says thank you, your order has been received. So the admin is going to receive the order and start processing it while we wait for the order to be processed. So as you can see, this is a fully functional e-commerce website from the very first step to the last very step, and it has all the pages that we need, and you can even go ahead to add more pages if you want. And I must tell you the truth, this website is also very responsive. As you can see right here, it's very responsive, and you're having the best stuff as we have. Okay, so I don't joke. So let's dive straight into the video so that we're going to do everything. I'll leave timestamps in the description box below. I'll try and do that, and some other helpful stuff in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now before we go straight into creating it, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this channel. So without wasting your time, we are going to go straight to having it. Now to have this kind of website, or to create our own e-commerce website, we need two things. We need a domain name and we need hosting. Now if you want a domain name, all you need to do is go to my website, Obinnar.com, and go and search for your website using the tool I have on my website. As you can see right here, you can search for your website here. Just search for the name of the website you want and click on search. So what's going to happen is that it's going to take you to Namecheap, and you can buy your domain name that way. This is an affiliate stuff, so if you buy it through my link, I'll earn a little commission. You can also use the link in the description box below to do that. Now once you have your domain name, the next thing we need is a web hosting. Now if you need web hosting, just need to contact me, and I've set up this web hosting account, and for this video sake, so that I won't waste your time. But if you need web hosting, just contact me, or you can also get one from Namecheap. And if you want to contact me, message me or send me an email at the email address will be in the description box below, so I can set up your account for you. So once you've done that, this is my web hosting account. All you need to do right now is to link your web hosting to your domain name. Now I can also do that for you if you have purchased your web hosting from me, and I can do that for you. But if you haven't, you want to do it through Namecheap, it's very easy as well. You can easily create the DNS zone and add a record. So just add this a record and point it to your IP address in your Namecheap or wherever you bought your domain name account. Now once that is done, if you don't understand this section, this part, don't worry, you can message your web hosting provider or web hosting provider. They are going to help you to link your domain name and your web hosting, and if it's from different place, they can do that for you. If it's from the same place, it's going to be done for you as well, so you don't need to worry much about it. So just send a message. So once you have done that, all we need to do now is to install WordPress. So just go and install WordPress. I've already installed WordPress. It's very simple. So once we've installed WordPress, now we should have something similar to this. Now this is the back end of my WordPress website, so you need to log into the back end of the WordPress website. I hope you're following me. Now once we have something similar to this, then now we need to continue to install all the required stuff. So right now we've installed WordPress, so what we need to do right now is to go ahead setting up our e-commerce website. Please, if I'm too fast in this video, you can slow the pace, or you can rewatch any section you want to rewatch, so that it's going to be very easy for you. So I want you to get this point to get it very well. So once we are here right now, what we need to do is, if you go to the front end of this website, this is how the website is going to look like. And this is not looking exactly like the one I showed you in the beginning of this video. This doesn't have any e-commerce functionalities. Okay, so to add e-commerce functionality or to use the theme, we need to go to this appearance section and go to themes. Okay, so once we are on this theme section, we want to install a theme. Now the name of the theme we are going to be using is Astra. I've already installed it here, but if you want to install it, just click on add new, and it's going to pull this thing up. Then you need to search for Astra here. Just search for Astra theme. So that's the name of the theme we're going to be using. So I've installed it. So once you search for it, you just need to install it. Then after installing it, then you click on activate to activate the theme on your website. Very, very simple. Now I've gone ahead and installed and activated Astra already. So now if you go back to the website and refresh, it's going to change, but it's not going to look like our e-commerce website. So just continue with the video. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So this is the theme now. It has changed, but right now we need to install a demo site like I showed you in the beginning of this video, so that we can be able to customize it, every single section of it, to our own taste and have a fully functional e-commerce website ready. So right now what we need to do is to click on this get started here, so that we can be able to access the starter template or the starter site. And once we activate it, then we need to install a starter site and pick one of the demos. So right now it has installed, and it's wanting us to start building our site, but we're not going to do that now, because if we continue with this, we're going to receive an error message. So we just go back easily. So we just go back again, and now what we need to do right now is to refresh this section here. Now after refreshing it, we are going to see this starter templates option. So you need to click on this starter template option right now. Then it's going to take us to this place, similar place right now, but this is going to work. So what we need to do right now is to click on build your website now. So once we click on that, it's going to ask us which page builder do we want to use. So right now in this video, we are going to be using Elementor page builder. Now if you don't know about it, don't worry, it's going to be very simple. Elementor page builder is one of the best ways to create a website, so using Elementor. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and basic things to do. So right now we choose Elementor. Now immediately we choose Elementor, is going to pull up sites that we can edit using Elementor. So right now we need to go to e-commerce. There are a lot of demo templates here, but right now our main focus is on e-commerce. And you can also search for it here. So just search for e-commerce. So it's going to search for themes that has e-commerce capabilities, so that we can be able to use them on our site. So we're waiting for it to load up. Once it loads up, then we can be able to use this e-commerce, or we can select one of the e-commerce theme and use for our website very easily. So it's still loading. Wait for it to load a little bit. Yeah guys, so this is the e-commerce template we're going to be using. It has loaded up correctly. Let me scroll down a little so that I'll show you. So yeah, this is this one, which is this organic store. This is the one we're going to be using. So right now it has loaded up and we're going to use it. So to use it, so what we need to do is to click on it, and it's going to put up this editor stuff here. So we're going to leave it just the way it is, because I like the way it's looking. It's looking very clean and elegant. So but you can decide to change the colors very, very simply, and do whatever you want to do. But by the way, we're going to be editing it with Elementor. I'm going to show you exactly how to do the editing with Elementor. Very, very simple. So right now it's loading. My internet is kind of slow, so wait for it to load. before we can be able to continue to the next step. So what's up guys, so this is the site now. It has loaded up completely, and right now we can continue to edit the website just the way we want it. So as you can see right here, we have the full website right now. So we want to import it on our own domain. Very simple. So right here you can adjust the logo width on every other symbol. We just leave it the way it is. We are going to edit it using Elementor and some other ways. Okay, so right now all we need to do is to click on skip and continue. Then it's going to ask us to change the color. If you want to change the color of anything here, you can select the color. You can select this color, you can select this color, whatever color you want to see use, you can do that. But I just leave it the way it is. I like the way it's very clean and elegant. And you can also change the font, but I'll just leave it the way it is. So I'll just click on continue now, and it's going to ask me to fill these details, and I'm going to just fill these details. Okay, so once you fill these details, I'm an expert. Who am I building for? Sorry, for let's say I'm building for a client. Then it will ask me to agree and receive newsletter, but I don't want to receive any newsletter. Then once we've done checking this, it's going to import all this stuff: the customizer, the widget, the content, and the share nonsense to data. So I'm going to click on submit and build. So what's going to happen right now is we need to relax and wait for it to automatically install that full website or the theme on our old domain. Very simple. So we have done literally majority of the work. So the next thing that will be left for us to do once this import is ready is for us to edit the theme to our own taste or our own brand. So very simple, and I believe you're getting value from it. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, while we wait for it to complete, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon as well, so that you won't miss any video from this channel once I drop them. So we're waiting for it to load up. So right now it's on 90%, and yeah, it's on 100%, and the site has been installed on our own domain, and we can see this congratulations stuff we have here on the screen. So right now the site is on our own domain. So what we need to do right now is to go back to our dashboard, so that we can be able to start editing this theme just the way we want it. Okay, so we'll just go back to our dashboard. Okay, so once we are at our dashboard, then we need to go and confirm if the theme is active the way it's supposed to be on our domain. So right now we just need to go to the website. So right now this is the website. We need to refresh this in order to confirm that the website has been installed on our domain. So I've refreshed it and I'm waiting for it to load up. Right now, as you can see right here on our domain, this website has been installed on it. Very simple, and everything is on it just the way we want it. So guys, I believe you're getting value. So as you can see right now, everything is on our own website just the way we want it, just the way we saw it in the beginning of this video. So right now this thing is installed, and we are very happy to do that. So right now all we need to do is to edit the theme to our own taste. Now I'm going to show you some of the very best ways to edit this theme and how to go about it. Now remember, once you've installed the theme, you need to go back to our WordPress dashboard, and please refresh this dashboard so that you know you're working with the latest version. So if you look at this section here, you see that a lot of plugins have been installed by the team. Cartflow plugin has been installed, WooCommerce has been installed as well, Elementor has been installed. These are the plugins that is required for that team to function very well. So right now we need to go to this WooCommerce section, go to home, and go and fill in our correct details because it has been installed. So now we need to set up an WooCommerce account and make sure everything is correct before we start editing it. So you need to set up this stuff about WooCommerce. Please, I'm going to skip this stuff just because I don't want this video to be too long, but I've already showed you exactly how to do it. So you need to fill in this step and go to this section 2 here, which is product types and business details, and then the theme. You need to please make sure you follow this sequence. Okay, so once you've done that, you follow the sequence and you have created your WooCommerce stuff, then it's the next thing you need to do. Once you follow this WooCommerce setup wizard, the next thing you need to do is to continue with the other ones. So what you need to do right now is to, if you go back to WooCommerce, you can also check for, if you go to this settings area, then you can also see some important stuff that you need to do as well. So you need to enter your website address, your e-commerce website address, everything. You need to enter it here. Then if you go to this products tab here, you are going to enter the name of your shop, everything. Make sure you enter all these details correctly. Then the shipping, you need to set up shipping zones and the rest of them here. So this is how you set up shipping zones. If there's any section of this stuff that you don't understand, tell me in the comment section and I'll make a video about it. So this payment section here is where you are going to manage your various types of payments. So I'm going to show you exactly how to add another payment gateway if exactly that's what you need. So continue watching this video to the end. So this is the account privacy and privacy settings. You can also customize the emails that is going to go out to customers once they purchase or have interest about your products. Then you can also look at some integrations and you can also look at some advanced stuff here. So very simple, that's how we go about it. So for this products tab here, what you need to do on this product tab right now, all you need to do on the product tab is to go to all products and delete all the products we have there, because all the products there are dummy products. Okay, they came with the theme. These are the dummy products and these are not live products. So you want to delete all these products by clicking this section here, by clicking on this section here. So once you click on it, you click on this bulk option and you click on move to bin and click on apply. So it's going to move all of them to trash. So once you've done these two major stuff I've showed you, then we need to go back to the front end of the website. So right now on the front end of the website, we need to edit with Elementor. Let me show you exactly how to edit different section of this theme, so that you can go about setting up setting up the website based on your own taste, based on what you want, based on what is going to make your customer happy, for you to be able to have more sales. That's exactly what you need to do about it here. So I'm going to wait for Elementor to load up completely, then we can go about doing other things. So Elementor has loaded on this website. So very simple. So we have this section here which is navigate, and it's divided into different sections. If there's any section we don't want, we can turn it off or we can actually remove it actually. So for this first page here, this is going to be the section 1. So if I click on it, it's going to bring me here and I can change these images that anyhow I want it. So once I'm here right now, I can click on this icon here, and once I click on it, I'll come to style and I can change the image if I want from there. So just click on this icon here, click on style, and I can change the image just as I want. So once you click on it, you just click on this image. Then from here we need to choose our own image, so we can upload our own image to change the images here. But I'm going to leave it because I like it. I like the way it's looking. It's very, very fine. Now for this section, you just need to click on it. Once you click on it right here, you're going to see this text section here, so you can add more text if you want, or you can just leave it. Just make sure this is how to customize it. So once you're here, this is the second part. You can click on it and it's going to open it up. Then here we can add more text as we want, and we can do a lot of things. We can add it here as well, continue to add text, and I think this is the title, so this way you're going to hide it. So once you added it, you can also customize this small letters written here, which is this section here. We can add more to it if we want. So these are very simple it is. Now for this button as well, once we click on the button, we are going to see that we have the name of the name text on the button is shop now. We can change it if we want. We can also change the colors by going to style, and it's already very simple. So if you want to change the color, all you need to do is to click on the style section, and here just click on this button, go to styles, then here on this color here we are going to change the color just as we want, but we're just going to leave it the way it is. Okay, so once we've done that, the next thing we need to do is to scroll down, which is section 2 right now. So we can scroll down, which is section 2. If you click on this section 2 here, it's going to scroll down and bring it here. So you can also scroll down and come to it, so we can edit it just the way we want it as well. So we can click on this icon here so that we'll know that we're working with this section, and here on this text section here we can add more text just the way we want, and we can design it and edit it. So we can just change the icon if you want, but everything is looking good, so I'm not going to change everything. I just want to show you exactly how to change it. Then you can also change this ones, so you can click on it right here and it's going to open it up for you to change. You can change the text here. I can add any text just as I want. Very, very simple, and same way you go about changing every section here. Now if there's any section here you don't want, you can just click on it and just cancel it. Now once you cancel it, it's going to go. As you can see, it's no more there. That's how you remove the section, and that's it. So very, very simple. So I'm going to add it back because I like it. So once we are done creating and we have edited every single part of it, you can also do that for all the pages here. So once you have done it and we are through with it, you need to click on update. Make sure to always update it. So once we have updated it, the site is going to look just like the way we have done it. Very, very simple. Now the next thing we need to talk about is how you can go about changing or working on the header, which is this logo section here, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So what we need to do right now is to click on customize. Now this customize option is going to allow us to edit the header and the footer, which is the logo and some other text we want to add on the footer. Very simple. So once it loads up, I'm going to show you exactly how to go about setting it up and having it up and running. Very simple. So right now the site is still loading. So right now this is the site. So right now what we need to do right now is, if you come to this section, I'm going to say this pencil icon. Now this is very simple. So just click on that pencil icon there and it's going to open it up to this section here. And right now this is where we can go about editing the logo. So if you click on this pencil icon here again, we have option to go to desktop logo, you can go to mobile logo, and we can mess around with everything here. So I can select a logo. I can upload my logo here, and but I don't have anything to upload, so I just go to media library. Let me say I want to make this my logo. I'll just select it and click on choose. So it's going to update as usual. Okay, so it's going to update. So I can also enable the logo on the complete website. So you have a lot of options to work with here. So as you can see, the logo has changed and this is the new logo we have. So we can work with anything we want to work with here. Very, very simple. Now let's say I've done the logo and I've done it, it's okay, but I just want to edit this section to remove this stuff here, since I don't have any app, which is very simple. So to do, so you just need to click on the pencil icon beside it, and it's going to bring it up here. And what I will also need to do is to click on this section and click on remove legacy widget. So once I click on it, the widget will be removed, and that's it. As you can see, the widget has been removed, and you can add as many stuff as you want. You can also change the copyright text here by clicking on this pencil icon. So this is how you go about editing this complete site. Now the way I showed you, what I showed you is you can use it to edit the page, the sections, all of them together. Just decide to do it. So once you've done everything you want, click on publish. Please don't forget that, so that you have it published and looking the way you want it to look. Okay, so that's how you go about editing the e-commerce WordPress website. If you have any question for me, tell me in the comment section and I'll be there to answer you. Okay, so guys, I believe you enjoyed this tutorial. Now, if there's anything I didn't cover which you feel like I should have covered, please tell me in the comment section and I'll go ahead to make more videos for you guys, so that I'm going to cover up all those sections for you to be able to understand it. Now you can edit every single part of this website. I've showed you exactly how to go about editing them, and you can do anything you want based on your own capabilities. Now, if for any reason you want me to do this stuff for you, to put up this e-commerce website for you together, please send me an email. My email will be in the description box below. Then I can go ahead setting up an e-commerce website, fully functional, fully optimized for anything you want. I can do it for you at a good rate. Okay, so guys, this is it exactly. So make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this channel. Now, this is how you go about setting up your e-commerce website. Now, what I showed you is the same way you want to do it for every pages that you have here on the site. You need to work on the pages so that it's going to be able to convert very well. Okay, so that is exactly how to go about it. Okay, so right now, if you go back to this section of the website, you can add a lot of things. You can play around a lot of things. You can play around with some of these plugins and the rest of them to help you make more sales. Okay, so guys, I believe you enjoyed the tutorial. This is where I'm going to stop right now, and I'm going to be waiting for your questions so that I'm going to answer your questions. Like I said, if you need hosting or you want me to create the website for you, send me an email and we'll talk about it. Very simple. Okay guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Please make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss those videos once I drop them. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay blessed. Thank you very much.